Mabuhay, Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back to Pang Twanda Vlogs tayong Pabibo at... Pabibe!
Abiba!
Yeah, Pabibe! We are going to church. Yes, church dito sa Carigana, Leyte. Hey Nitro. Yes.
Yes.
Second time pa lang ni Nitro sa simbahan dito. So, we'll go and have fun. Hey, play with the kids. Yeah, at church. Yeah?
Very good in our church.
Yes. Alright, si Shanta nagbibihis pa. Siyempre kasi babae, matagal mag-ready. So, me and Nitro are going to the car. Tara na, Nitro. Ayan, buti na lang may kotse na. Makes it so much easier to get around Leyte. Diba? Para dire-diretso. Tapos may aircon pa. Sana all. Here we go, Nitro. In the car.
No.
Yes, I am.
It's Uncle Mamoy.
I'm your friend.
Yes.
Hear no evil. Hear
Oy,
no evil.
ano yan? Tikma lang.
Speak no evil.
Oo naman.
And listen no evil.
Bakit?
Friend? Because you are now going to critical area to the Mormon church. Wow. I know very much in English. It's so obvious.
Masimba kita, Boy Blue. Simba na kita.
I will go to church in Andok. Red Horse there.
Nandito na si Mami Shanta. Let's go, Mami. Alright, tara na sa simbahan.
Pang ano yan, pang summer yung clothes niya. Hindi pa na plancha, habulin ka ng plancha.
Paano pala tayo papunta din siya?
Left.
Left?
Nitro, mag-church ikaw or magbi-beach? Naka-short ka man. Naka-short tas naka-Hawaiian. Naka-sandals pa.
Init sa Philippines.
Baby Nitro, can you say hi to mommy?
Hi.
Thank you, baby.
Bye-bye, Mommy.
Not bye-bye, say hi.
Bye, Daddy.
Diretso pa siya.
Hulo, naglapos kita.
Good. Dito na. Okay, Nitro, let's go. Oh, sorry, baby. Sun's in your face. Okay, Daddy, take the seatbelt off.
Sunface.
Yeah, sun's in your face. Okay, hang on. Here we go, buddy. Let's go. Okay, tara na, Nitro. Masimba na. You say Simba.
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 Zimba.
Yeah, Zumba daw. Not Zumba, Simba.
Simba.
Zumba.
Nitro?
Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ. Yeah, it's Jesus Christ. Hey. Yeah, it's Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Hey, is that Jesus Christ? Yeah. Thank you, Dashan. Dito. Alright, let's go, Nitro.
So the time pala natin weekend na
You want your card? You want your card? Yes, did you say thank you? Say thank you, Tita Vicky.
Thank you, Vicky. Open.
didn't see us smiling. That's for so many wounds. How many bruises did I give Jesus Christ because of my transgression and mine? Anong power level ba yan? You believe you're strong? Why?
Pasaway. Tapos na klase siya. Having fun, Nitro? Tapos na klase.
Come, baby. Come on. Walking. It's gonna rain.
Tapos na yung simba. Uwi na tayo. Kami nagpicture kay Nitro.
Let's go, baby Nitro. Come. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on, it's going to rain, Nitro. Come, it's gonna rain. It's gonna rain. Let's go. Nag-uuyag. Come on, let's go. It's gonna rain. Come on, Nitro. Let's go. Hello. Ay, hello po. Tapos na po tayo magsimba. Uwi na po tayo. Maraming salamat. Ito na ba yung end ng vlog mo? Ay!
Aircon is on. A minute. Okay guys, so yan. Yan ang simbahan namin dito sa Garigara. Sisimba kami. It's only the second time we've been to church though, since we've been here.
Let's go. I'll get it later.
Dami pala
I'll get it
nagsisimba
later.
dito siya, ano.
Of course, madaming nagsisimba.
Dati, konti lang. Ngayon, dami na.
Pero actually, hindi kami nagsimba like a few Sundays kasi nga, nagkasakit si Nitro, tapos yun, may sakit si nanay. Naging magulo yung yung schedule. Tapos, syempre, ayaw namin na makahawa si Nitro sa ibang bata. Nung nagsipon-sipon ubo siya. Pero okay na naman yan.
And thanks for watching guys. Kita-kits sa sunod video ng bata. Ayaw.
Bye for now. Nitro say bye for now.
Yeah.
You're beautiful.